Hey, today I'm going to talk about the 3 parts to profitable Facebook ad. Now, Facebook ads are extremely powerful. I use them in my business every single day. We run them for our clients, for all our clients actually. They're one of the fastest and easiest ads to get out there and start turning a profit, generating leads that you can turn into new clients. That's our biggest thing. At the end of the day, you can do all sorts of huge brand campaigns and build out beautiful websites and do a whole bunch of cool stuff that looks fantastic, but if it's not direct ROI driven, if you can't monetize it and show specifically, hey, this action led us to X amount of dollars, or we spent $1 and we made $3 back, or we spent $1 and we made $10 back, if we can't do that, we won't do it. Direct ROI driven, if you can't monetize it and show specifically, hey, this action led us to X amount of dollars, or we spent $1 and we made $3 back, or we spent $1 and we made $10 back, if we can't do that, we won't do it. You got to figure out what you're looking for, what are your goals, and what are you looking to accomplish at the end of the day. For us, the biggest thing is, like I said, making sure that we get our clients results and we increase their profitability. How do we do that? Well, we run ads on all the platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google, but Facebook ads, for some of our clients that have a smaller ad spend but still want to increase their revenue and still make a huge return on investment, we start them all off with Facebook. Why? Because you're able to target on location. You're able to target based on hobbies and interests that people have. And 3, this is huge, you're able to split test creative copy and images / video. What the copy is those words that are attached to the ad. First off, the most important thing in the copy is the headline. An attention-getting headline that reaches your ideal target demographic, your ideal client, right? So if you're a contractor looking to get more leads for your construction company, you don't want to deal with somebody that's renting in an apartment. You would literally say, attention homeowners. Attention homeowners looking to remodel. Attention homeowners looking to paint their home, right? You want to resonate with them immediately and get rid of all the other people that, aren't your ideal customer in that situation that you don't want to do business with. A, it's going to save you money, and B, it's going to save you time on your own resources when, if you target people and people that are unqualified that, would never buy your product, and you have to spend time talking to them and pre-qualifying them and having your office email them and all that, that's just a waste of time. So you want to call out your target audience, first of all, in the headline, and then the next step is the copy itself, the body of the copy. You want to move them along your buying process. So if you're in e-commerce, you want that copy to get them to go over to the Shopify store or whatever platform you're using that you're actually selling your product on, and get them to move there. Literally click that button and move there. If you're like in a service business, what you want to do is have the people literally read that copy, resonate with them, have them move over to that landing page where they're giving you your name, their name, phone number, and email address and saying, I'm legitimately interested and I want to schedule an appointment. So the whole goal of the copy itself, and this is really where the money's at, is to get people's attention, number 1. Number 2, move them along to the next desired location. It's not to sell them, right? You don't want to have copy that's actually selling them on the product. You want to move them over to the next location, and that's where you implement your sales process. That's where you take them to a landing page. And the same thing on a landing page. I'm not going to dive too deep into it, but a landing page needs to be simple. What's the most important piece of information that you need? Are you building out an email list and all you want is emails? Then have a landing page with a couple headlines and a little bit of text. But other than that, the only other thing you can do is input your email address. Can't click on any other buttons. You can't, find about us or tabs or resources or contact us or, past projects. The more tabs you have on a landing page, the higher likelihood of people, getting confused and bouncing and leaving and not doing the intended thing that you want them to. So a landing page should have one objective. Get that person's information. Get that person to buy. So, it could be a name, phone number, email address. You can ask more questions, but also the more questions you ask, the higher the likelihood of them, just splitting before they fill out all the questions is. So get your bare bone questions together. If you just need an email, just do that. If you need an email and a phone number and a name to be able to follow up with them properly, then of course, go ahead and ask for that. But keep it bare bones and simple. Now, getting back into the Facebook ads. Facebook is a phenomenal platform to get started on and to start getting more business for your business, more clients. The reason being is because Facebook ads are so effective, not just on the targeting, but also on the retargeting. You can retarget people that have visited your website, your landing page, retarget people that have interacted with an ad in the past, retarget people that have interacted with your Facebook page if you have a huge following. So, at the end of the day, if you're not using paid advertising, period, for your business, you're leaving money on the table. And you could literally use this in virtually almost any business. If you want to find out more and watch our free case study where we go in depth how one of our clients made close to $94,000 in 30 days using paid advertising on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google, go ahead and click the link below, SurbanEnterprises.com. It'll take you right to the case study, or the link in the description below. Then make sure to follow our channel. We're going to be putting out content multiple times a week. Content that's going to be helping business owners, marketers, anybody that's looking to use paid advertising to grow their business. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing. We're not about likes, comments, video views, and shares and all that other stuff that you can't monetize. Everything that we do is revenue driven. If you want to learn how to do more of that stuff, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, have fun.